Now, right at the beginning of this video, I want to let you know that I've had this thermometer now for almost a year, and it is fantastic. But the video that you're about to watch is me opening it and showing you the features. So it's been proven for me. It's a fantastic thermometer, and we use it all the time. So with that being said, let's get into the bulk of the video. You are looking at one of the most popular thermometers for meat and cooking. It has a digital screen and a probe, and we'll go ahead and open it up, and I'll be doing a review and telling you about its features. So this is the packaging that comes in. I will put a link in the description below, an affiliate link where you can pick this up on Amazon. So this is how it arrives. It's got a protective cover on the LCD. It has a magnet on the back. Go ahead and turn it on here. Probably we'll have to put in the battery. It takes one AAA battery. You have memory, time, minutes. It has a timer on it. It allows you to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Let's go ahead and power it up. Take this protector off. It's nice. It comes with a battery. Comes also with a flip down stand like that, so you can stand it up if you want. So we'll go ahead and set the timer for 1 minute. Let's see how that goes. So the timer is going. On the side here it has internal temperature recommendations. So you plug in the probe here. This is the probe. This end would go in the meat, and this end goes in the thermometer. Now I have had probe thermometers before. What is nice about this one is that it has the braided wire, so it's got a steel mesh. And what's nice about this versus previous probes that I've had is it was like this temperature resistant plastic rubber material, but it just broke very quickly. This being braided steel is going to last a lot longer. Go ahead and so there goes the timer. That's what it sounds like. Very easy to set. You just put in the time and then push that button there, start, stop, and memory. So we'll go ahead and so it remembers back to what you had the timer set at, and you can obviously just change it to whatever you want. Hold down both and it resets it, so if you want a timer. And it, of course it goes Celsius, Fahrenheit. And this is the on-screen display. It will show you temperature, the set temperature, and the actual temperature, and of course off. Let's plug it in and see what we can do here. Just goes in the side here, and we will turn it on to temperature. So right now we're at 77 degrees. We'll go ahead and hold it and we'll see how it moves up. So as you can see, it's responding very quickly. Feeling a bit cold right now. I do have kind of a gap in my hand, whereas if the meat was surrounded, there we go, I'm pinching it a little harder. If there were no gaps and no air exposure, it would give you a more accurate temperature reading. Now the probe itself, let's go ahead and measure that. So before the bend it's 4 inches. At the bend it's 4 inches, and the entire probe is just under 7 inches. This indentation is right after maybe about 6 1/4 inches. So that's the length of the actual probe. I'll measure the length of the cable. Just stuck myself. Okay, stretching it out. Okay, from the plastic end all the way across, the actual cable is 40 inches long. So it's a decent length. You can have this sitting on your counter, the rest going in your oven or your barbecue grill. I do like this stand here, and the fact that it has a magnetic back as well. So let's mess with the set temperature. So all you do is just use the hour and minute buttons when it's in temperature mode, and then once it reaches that, it will set an alarm. So let's see how low it can go. Oh, that's going up. See if we can get it to go off. Alright, so I know we can get up to that temperature. Let's see what it does. And this is a very affordable thermometer. Right now it's about $20, a little less, on the link, the Amazon link that I have in the description. And it has 4,500 plus reviews, positive reviews, 4.5 stars out of 5. So there you have it. It goes off when you hold it, or when it reaches that temperature, and then you just push the start stop button. Very nice. Oh, okay, so you can pick your meat here. Let's see. All right, so you can choose your rare meat or fish, ham, if you want your meat medium, and you can just cycle through just using the memory or well done beef. So now it's set to have your meat well done. Awesome. This is very cool. Like I pointed out there, it's feels solid, feels like it's well made, but it's light. It's got some weight to it, but it's not heavy, and feels well made. So size is good as well. Now, when you buy this, it comes with a 1-year warranty, and the company that makes it, ThermoPro, offers a 3-year extended warranty if you register the product. That is great. And they even provide you with a new sensor probe if you have problems with it. They say after a long period of use, a few amount of units could experience incorrect temperature readings. Problem caused by careless or improper use of the probe. We will provide you a brand new sensor probe free of charge. So they're standing behind this product. That's awesome. It has timer mode, temperature range, both Fahrenheit and Celsius. Let's go ahead and switch. 70 degrees Celsius for well done beef, so if you're in Europe. Very easy to operate, and this is food grade stainless steel probe, if you're wondering about that. Now let me look at any potential questions that people had about this product, just to answer them right here. Does it give you an instant readout? Yes, it is instant. It is real time, or almost exactly real time. You can use it on a grill or an oven. My wife uses the previous one we had, which was a different brand, which had the plastic probe that broke, which is why we got this one. So you can use this for deep frying, all of that kind of stuff. Okay, this is an interesting feature. Let's go ahead and figure out what this diameter. We'll zero out our calipers, and this is in millimeters, and we'll switch it to inches. So the diameter is 4 millimeters, almost exactly, give or take, 0.02 millimeters. We'll go ahead and put it to inches. In fraction form, 5/32, roughly. So that is the diameter of the probe. The actual size of the thermostat computer is in inches. Almost 2 3/4 inches by 3 inches, roughly. So, and then the depth may as well, right? May as well. Scrolling it back down. We'll go ahead and switch to almost 3/4 of an inch. 0.7 inches, sorry. So there you go, 0.7 inches deep. There you have it. That is the ThermoPro TP16 thermostat. You can use it for candy making, all of those different things, but it's not specifically designed for candy making. However, people are reporting that they use it for candy quite regularly. Works fine. Okay, so one of the customers is stating that the probe here, if you're using this in liquid, you don't want to submerge it beyond this point. So I would say give yourself a good inch just to accommodate for any splashing as far as putting this in liquid. Somebody wants to know, can it handle 500 degrees? I'm assuming they're saying Fahrenheit, to which somebody replied yes. They didn't give more detail than that, other than the probe and the cable are steel, but yes, that is a good question. Let's see what the limit is. Okay, so the maximum range of this, it goes from 32 degrees Fahrenheit, so freezing, all the way up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius, with an accuracy of 1 degree. So within 1 degree, plus or minus resolution, which they're saying is actually 1.8. So it's within 2 degrees, 1.8 degrees, plus or minus accuracy. You know, you're never going to get, unless you have probably one of the most expensive thermostats. So yeah, they've got great customer support. There are more expensive meters out there, smart meters that talk to your phone, all that kind of stuff. But as far as a basic, very feature-rich, well-made thermostat, this one is pretty good. Thanks for watching. If you want more product review videos like this, click the subscribe button and ring the bell. Let me know what you think about this thermostat, if you have one, if you're buying one, if it's this one or a different one. And if you think there's a better one, let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.